Guys, what is up everybody? I'm Cecil and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So today here we're gonna be looking at cheesy veggie stuffed in eggplant, or it's called aubergines. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly you'll be needing aubergine, or it's called eggplant. You need to chop off the top part and you need to cut them into half. And now you need to scoop out the inside part. I'm using the spoon to remove them. And chop the inside part into small tiny pieces. Now moving on to stove, here I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 big onion. If you have small, then use 2. And you'll be adding a tablespoon of garlic paste. If you don't have garlic paste, you can use 2 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. Here I have 1 broccoli. Here I've cut them into small florets and cook them really well. Here I have half cut zucchini and the aubergines which we have chopped. And a teaspoon of salt to bring up the flavors. Here I have yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. Now let them cook, and then you'll be adding a teaspoon of basil leaves. You can add them fresh if you have. I didn't have, so I'm adding these. And a teaspoon of parsley and a teaspoon of rosemary. Give them a mix. It smells really good. Now here I'll be adding a tablespoon of flour. To that I'll be adding water gradually. This will give our veggies a very creamy taste. Do not add flour directly to the pot, just dilute it with water and then you add. And for healthy substitute, you can go for whole wheat flour. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Give that a stir. It should even cook all veggies. Now we will stuff our veggies into these eggplant. Fill them till the top part. Now here I have baking tray. On that I'll apply a bit of oil. And now we will place our aubergines. Here I have cheddar cheese. It will be absolutely crazy because cheese is the best thing in this part. So if you have cheese, just do add. Here I have cheddar and here I have mozzarella. And bake this at 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And drizzle in some coriander leaves. And now it's done. Enjoy! If you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you like, share and comment. Also do subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon to get notified. Until then, ciao!